what I'm gonna do is got 3 cars out back. The second duty. Back that shop, BMW, and this Mustang right here. Out here, back in there.
Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. See, the steering is a little loose. You can twist it around and it still goes straight. So far it's shifting nice and smooth. I'm braking right now pretty hard and it's not slowing down very quick, so the brakes are definitely mushy. Definitely likes to walk on the road and kind of pull with the grooves of the road. Has a really good turning radius, of course. Kind of have to fight it a little bit to keep it straight. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, overall the polish on here looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. That wheel is in really good condition. Good tread left here on the tires. Looking at the fender, that light looks amazing. Typical little scuffs on that trim. The emblem is in good condition. You have a chip here that's been touched up. Larger one there that has not been touched up. A few more here on the low side. A couple imperfections in here. Otherwise, that A-pillar looks good. You can see the kind of rust buildup in there. But walking around it here, you're not going to really see it. You'll see some of the chips there. You do have the pitting here on the chrome. Same here. A couple dents on the chrome. Looks like a scratch just on the upper side. Got a chip right there. You can see the cracks here, which is really common. Chip there. Some sort of imperfection in the paint here. You're gonna have the little cracks underneath. It's kind of all the way down. Got a little dimple in the paint here. You can see some overspray in there from it being taped off. That marker light looks good. You do have some stuff in the paint there, some texture. You can see this is all cracking along that seam. There's some more stuff in the paint. A couple chips. Overall, the finish on this wheel looks amazing. The tires do have a couple gashes, it looks like, on them. All right, looking at the front end. Starting with this section. Got those little cracks there, little flaws. Kind of scanning the hood here. I do see a dent right there. You can see it kind of ripple with that light. And then there are some bubbles in the paint here. You can see that. All very subtle. Got a rock chip there. Some cracking here. Overall, that looks really nice. Got a large chip here. Looking at the grill, of course, typical wear. See, that's kind of dry rotted. That lens looks good. Got the chips there. There is a gash here. Got some chips every once in a while. Overall, that chrome looks awesome on the bumper. Getting underneath here, looking at all that. All right, checking out the engine bay here. Gonna just go through all the details, kind of get up close on all the parts that I can. That battery is from 2019. This sucker fires right up though. So far it's doing good. You can look down there at the headers. That tank looks good. That tank looks nice. And looking at the underside of the hood, you're going to have your flaws and little scuffs and scratches, but overall it's in great condition. Okay, checking out the driver's side. Got these in the paint here, that texture. Got some chips on the hood edge. And then you're going to have a couple throughout this area. Got the little crack there. The emblem looks nice. Got a couple chips down here. Overall, that wheel looks awesome. And then you're going to have some chips on this lower rocker every once in a while. That A-pillar looks good. Got a chip there, a couple on the edge, a few dents. Little imperfections here. That area looks nice. That upper section looks good. A couple chips. Of course, you're going to have a little cracking in there. And then looking underneath here, overall looks pretty good. You're going to have your flaws. Cracking under here. Otherwise, this side looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. All right, checking out the back. I imagine this is all original. You're gonna have your typical flaws and fading, but for the most part, that looks pretty good. You do have overspray here on that wire. It got painted. That bumper looks good. Taillight looks nice. Got a chip there. Got some chips on the hinge. That taillight looks good. You can see the paint is peeling there. It looks like it's kind of corroding. Got a lot of touch up in this area. The color does not quite match. And looking under here, okay, with this moved back, got the tire here, looking at the bar. Overall looks nice. They did paint over this. There's a better view in there. This is just some sort of transfer from the sticky tape there to try to keep it from damaging the paint. You can see this is kind of faded and chipped up. You have the corrosion in there as well. Okay, checking out the back here. That pad is in great condition. A couple stains on the carpet every once in a while. For the most part, looks really good. A few stains on the headliner here and there. Otherwise, this all looks really nice. Here on this panel, overall in really good condition. You can see some chipping here. A little bit of overspray on the trim. Got some touch up, a few dents. I'm looking at the trim in here. See some stains in there. You can see some overspray, some cracking. Looking at that seat, that bolster looks amazing. Overall, that's in great condition. You do have a steering wheel cover on here, so you don't know what's underneath. Overall, the cover looks good. Looking at the steering wheel, you got the trim piece here, but it is missing there. Looking at the dash pad, it's cracked here. Overall, that's in good condition. Steering column looks nice. We do have a crack there. And then, of course, you can see the cracks on the dash and some of the paint kind of peeling off. Visors are nice. Got that separation right there. And then looking at these windows, they roll down really easy. Very little effort. And then looking at this panel, see this, it's kind of chipping away. That handle's on there secure. A little stain here and there, a couple chips, a few small dents. Looking in the jams here. Looking at these seats. It's got these little speckles every once in a while, little scuffs. Looks like some paint transfer. It's green on there. The upper section looks nice. It's got this custom little console here. Those are really nice floor mats. You can see this is cracking and chipping away. The dash pad here looks good until you get over there. You got that crack. Visors are nice. see some separation right there on that seam. Other than that though, this looks really good.